All right, y'all. It's crazy because at 9:27, I wanted to get in this candle. I wanted to do the things, but I'm like, let me not. We don't even take trades usually to the first 3 minute candle prints of the day. So let's see how we react. There's a fair value gap here, and then we do have liquidity here if we want it. And then if not, there's liquidity obviously up here as well. Jeez Louise. So, do we think we're gonna go down there? We could come back up here and tap into this 2 minute gap first. Could inverse this gap on the 2 minute. Let's just see. Like I said, there's just two big gaps as you see on the bottom on the hour and on the, let's see, there's a, no, it's not what I wanted to do. Let's see if there's a 15-minute gap or like a 5-minute gap sometimes. Nice respect in this 15-minute gap here. Okay, we came in out of the 2-minute gap. We have a minute left. So let's see how that closes. And then let's see if there's a gap. 5-minute. Let's see how many bars this might be. Just 225. Well, are they gonna line up together? They're not. I'm scared. There's a nice reaction. Because now it's like, are we just going to keep pushing lower? We do have this here, this gap here, this liquidity point here on the 1 hour. We're going up now. Let's see. On the 2-minute. We have a fair value gap on 2-minute to inverse to the upside too. We don't have one for the to continue lower, so I don't know what the T is here. But yeah, we got in at right at 9:27. It was looking very nice. So let's just see. Which I can remove. Yeah, there we go. Because now we're back up in here. Okay, we have a 3-minute fair value gap that we're about to tap into and push out of, looks like. Did we tap into it on the 3-minute? Yeah, I think we did, so I think it's looking good for shorts. I'm just scared a little bit. Let's wait a little bit on the 2-minute. There's a nice hammer on the 3. See? CCC. Which one closes first? It closes at the same time now. So 134 on both the 2 minute and the 3. So let's just wait for both of these to see what they want to do. Hopefully they don't close super far down, but we got a nice reaction off this fair value gap. Came into this fair value gap. We're still kind of close to the EMAs too. Yeah, I don't know. Don't know. There we go. 40 seconds left though. I don't like that. $25, $24, $23, $22. Especially if we close below this on the 3 minute would be very nice. You know, if we can close below this fair value gap. We're still in this range here. I would love to close above this or below this. Basically, the 5 minute is looking like we're pushing a little bullish. The 5 minute. The 2 and the 3 looks like it wants to go take out these lows. But the 5... Alright, I'm getting these shorts.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
I don't know if I like these. Like I said, our liquidity is right there. It's right at our target. I hope we can just push to that low. We're still fighting it. You can move BE at this line if you want. I think we can make it. I think we can make it. What is damn spotlight? Ooh. This is a big. But there's that fair value gap there. Oof. It's already negative 200 ticks our way. I don't like that, but like I said, we do have this fair value gap here. I think we're still, like I said, in the 1 hour, it's just, we already tapped into this gap once, but I think we want to sweep. I don't know. We're already negative 200 something. So let's hope we push. We need just to go. It did sweep this though. And let's see if we bounce off of this gap, hopefully. Again. Close below. Come on. Push below. Terrible entry. Terrible entry, but gotta have faith in this volatile ass market, child. Still held, so if we can just get below again, and this still lines up with the hourly liquidity point. That's why I'm like, we're good. We're Gucci. And do you want to trail here? But I think we're gonna bounce, come back, boom. Let's take out this hourly low. You can trail if you want, but like I said, it's just so small. It's so tiny. That I just don't. Oof. We keep coming close. But I think we're going to get it. It's an hourly liquidity point. Now we're pushing down there on the hourly as well. We did take out this low, though. So let's see if we hold on the 15-minute. I want us to push. And then, we take our time here. All right, new candle, inverse that for value gap. We're good. We're pushing now. We're going to push down to there. We're going to push, and we're going to just relax. And we're going to just... Come on, man. You're so close. I did not check if we had news today either, actually. So that's not good. Hopefully we don't. Friday. I think it's Friday. Tomorrow we have the news.
Order filled.
Amazing. Another win. And like I said, it's just so volatile, bro. It's so volatile. It was like my stop loss to be so nasty. But again, this is the edge that mental stop loss is a little scary with it. But hey, we're doing it. We're knocking the things. Like I said, I'm just taking what I need. It just sucks for the risk. Like, say I finally actually lost. You know what I'm saying? And then that would have been a fat loss. It was like almost double my fucking TP, which sucks. But we gotta win, so it is what it is. I love it here. I truly love it here.